What's up, YouTube? I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man. I'm back with another video today. Still haven't recorded again in a while, and now we got one shoe in here to make a video on. I guess I could possibly make another one, but definitely making this one. And before we go any further, the most important part of the video we're going to start it off with is a word from our sponsor. Peyton, who's our sponsor?
Jesus.
This is 1 Peter 3, verse 18. Christ, and this is from Peyton's Bible. What translation is this? It's a
NIV
Kids Quest Study Bible. NIRV.
Oh.
I don't know what an IRV is, but I do like this translation of this particular verse. 1 Peter 3:18. Christ died for sins once and for all time. The one who did what is right died for those who don't do right. He died to bring you to God. His body was put to death, but the Holy Spirit brought him back to life. I think so many times we as Christians just feel like really down ourselves for our own sins. And I think, and I've heard my pastor say this before in a personal type conversation, we think that we don't deserve to be forgiven, right? The things that we do are so wrong, and we put ourselves down to the point where it becomes pride, and it's like Jesus dying wasn't enough for my sins. And it says it right there that he died once and for all time. The one who did what is right, he did it just for us, those of us that cannot do right. And I was going to say another word of it. We just get down on ourselves and we're like, nah, he didn't. It wasn't good enough. Yes, it was good enough because he was completely right, and he died for all of us who are so wrong. And if he wasn't completely right, then it wasn't actually worth it. But he was. So it was absolutely worth it, and nothing that we can do can stop that. So, all right, this shoe. When I first saw this shoe was coming out, I was like, I don't think I want these. They're not that big of a deal to me. And then as I've seen them more, I was like, you know what? I think I want these. They're released today. I went and picked them up for my JD exclusive access. And when I was there was a really long line. And I was like, man, these are going hard. And I picked them up at 11:30. I hadn't even looked back at sneakers yet. And it turns out the line was really only long because there was only one guy there for checkout, and he was doing a really great job, but there was still a long line. But I was like, man, if they're going that hard, maybe I should get them for Trent. And they had them, so I was like, let me have them. They're a size 8, which I think you can wear now, actually. No, you can't. This is his next size. But I was like, do I really want these? Before I got the exclusive access, and I was like, yeah, I think I want them. And I think I'm going to keep them. And it's kind of crazy. This is September 2025, and I think between August and September, or at least 2025 in general, definitely 2025 in general, this is like the year of the 5. The Jordan 5 came out in 1990, so we're 35-year anniversary, but it's weird, 35, and a 35th year anniversary isn't that big of a deal. I mean, 35, sure, it's big,
yeah,
a big
but
deal,
it's like 40 or 50.
25, 40, 50, 30.
100.
Yeah, not anywhere near there. But 35 years just doesn't seem that significant. But this is like the year of the 5, because we got these 5s, metallic 5s. You're probably not going to be able to see those well in the video, but we got metallic 5s. These just dropped. The Grape 5s, which were Fresh Prince of Bel-Air 5s, they dropped, and then later this month we get Tokyo 5s, and I'm actually pretty excited about the Tokyo 5s. They're actually on your birthday, Peyton. That's what's coming out on your birthday.
Mm-hmm.
And the Tokyo 5s, they're 5s, and they're yellow. They're pretty cool. I like those. I definitely want those. They're definitely going to be limited, huh?
Do they match with this?
No. That's the green.
No. Never mind.
But I decided I wanted to get these. They're pretty OG, and maybe not the very first version of this 5 colorway, but pretty close to it. So that's why I decided I wanted to get them. I'm actually a little concerned about the white leather on these, because I don't typically like 5s with this kind of white leather. So we're going to take a look at them. I'll decide if I really want them or not, and then we'll decide if we're going to keep Trents too. I think that was all I was going to say about 5s. But I definitely like the metallic 5s. Haven't put those on yet, but I definitely like those, and we're absolutely keeping those. And Trent has those too. All right, let's get into this. This is the Air Jordan 5 Retro OG, white, fire red, and black. Yeah, there's not a whole lot I have up here that's similar to this. I do have fire red 3s. I do not have fire red 4s, but I do have a red cement type 4. I can't remember what it was called from a few years ago, and it's somewhere in here. I haven't seen it in a really long time. What?
feel like I remember the name, but I can't remember the name.
Yeah, I think there might be in one of those boxes back there, and I haven't even opened them yet. And they literally came out like 3 years ago. All right, I want to see these. All right, we get a nice little piece of cardboard in here to keep these apart. We get the black trash bag. I don't like the black trash bag. This is definitely coming out. And this is the Jordan 5.
Looks pretty clean.
Fire red is clean, yes. Black tongue.
I like the black tongue.
The black tongue.
Yeah.
I do too. On the black metallic they have a reflective 3M tongue. That's just not for me. The tongue itself isn't. I think I would rather them be black. I would have rather them originally have been black because I do like the OG idea, but I like them in the OG form. Even though I would have preferred for them to OG be more like this with this kind of tongue. So these tongues are pretty high, but this particular one isn't that bad. We get Air Jordan on the back of it, similar to the Air 4 to the Jordan 4. It's upside down. All right, this is not on the metallic, but this is my favorite part about this. It's got the 23 in the right,
Bolded.
mostly the right font, shadowed. This is my favorite part about this particular shoe. It's got the 23 right here.
Is it like iced on the bottom?
Yeah, it is. It is icy on the bottom. You like the icy bottom? All right, she likes the icy bottom. All right. I have seen the grapes in person, but I don't remember exactly the feel of the leather. I like this feel of this white leather a whole lot more than what I expected the grapes were. And purple's my favorite color. There's just something about those grapes I just don't like, and I actually kind of dislike the color red as far as wearing it, even though I'm wearing it. But this bright red, this is what I'm not a huge fan of, but I still like this better than the grapes.
Yeah.
Do you remember the grapes? Can you picture the grapes? It's just like this, except there's some like tealish blue and purple on the bottom.
Yeah, it was
But it's
very
mostly-
little purple.
Yeah, very little.
Well, I feel like it says grape. It should pop more purple.
Probably, but whatever. All right, so this leather is really nice. I like this leather. It still has a little bit of a wrinkle to it when you push it. It's not just perfectly smooth. The toe cap leather here is a little more smooth, but this isn't. This is where it's going to crease the most, and this wrinkly leather makes it a little less noticeable maybe. This piece is more like this piece too. It's a lot more rigid, a lot harder. What did you call these?
Air bubbles.
Air bubbles. Peyton noticed these and she's like, what is that? Well, this was a long time ago, but it's just a feature of the Air Jordan 5. I don't really know what it's for. They're mostly hollow, but all right, let's get this out of here. I want to see what kind of insole this has because comfort is important to me. 5s probably aren't the most comfortable shoe in the world.
Whoa.
I'm pretty sure this is a real polyurethane. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. They're decent. They're definitely not the worst insoles.
I like the bright red, like on the shoe.
On this?
Yeah, I feel like when you look into it, it's gonna make it like pop.
It is pretty cool. You get Nike Air on the inside, get Nike Air on the back. Everyone likes the Nike Air on the back. You normally only get that with an OG, and that's what this is with an actual
I like
OG
how they have
retro.
both Nike Air and 23.
Yes, it needs both. Having both, true to original form, and that's what I like.
Yeah.
And that's why I like these. So I'm definitely going to keep these. Trent is asleep right now, so as soon as he gets up, we'll come show him his pair. It's a size 8, which means I think he could probably actually wear it now. Oh, we get a nice little defect in this one. See that?
A little line.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see what this is.
A little scuff mark.
Yeah. Might just be a little bit of glue or something.
Oh.
I think it might come off. I don't know.
Dried glue.
Yeah, it's not that bad though. I noticed another little imperfection over here too. It's just some black stitching, like
Oh, little flares. Little hairs.
those are fine. Those will come off. I don't know where that's coming from though. It is kind of weird, but whatever. You get a lace lock on this. It's a white, clear lace lock
So that's not white.
with a red lock. Nike on it. Nike on the lock itself. Nike on the housing. I don't prefer wearing my 5s with lace locks. I don't even think my Oreos had the lace lock on them. I will be getting rid of these now because I don't need this extra pair of black 5s and just keeping the OG pairs of 5s. I don't need any other pairs of 5s. This one will go up there.
It'll make the collection like look better because that's like kind of the black kind of throws it off. but this one will make it like match.
Yeah. All right. All right. We'll pick up the rest of the video when Trent wakes up. All right, we're back. Trent is finally awake, and he's happy because he knows what are we looking at? What's in there? What's in there? What is that? Yeah, what is that? we got some new shoes. Shoe. Okay, fine. Jordan 5 Retro OG Toddler, white, fire red, and black. You ready? Ready? Ready. Yeah, and this too. Yeah.
Whoa!
There's
Big
Daddy's.
shoe.
Whose are these? Who's gonna wear those? That's the shoe. Who's wearing that? Trent's wearing that. They have an embroidered 23 on them too. They just say Nike on the back because they don't actually have air in them. Did you give it a smell? Ooh, it actually smells pretty good. Smell it. He's got to open it up to smell. Good job. Ooh. They're not really smelling much like leather. You want to smell Daddy's? All right. Let me see your foot. Put your foot up here. Yay.
Oh, it looks like it would fit.
It will fit.
Maybe a little big.
Yeah, it's not that bad. You want to wear them? You want to wear them?
You should wear them to church tomorrow, Trent.
Yeah, maybe we'll wear them to church.
And then you can wear your red new sweat suit outfit.
You like them?
Ooh.
Ooh. All right, y'all smash the like button for the Jordan 5 Fire Red. Fire Red? Yes.
Fire
Yeah, of course, yes. Jordan 5 Fire Red Black Tongue. Let me know what you think about this OG colorway. We're glad we got like an OG font on the 23. And the 23 is there. Yeah, they look good together, don't they? And are you going to wear this? What do you think about it? And what did y'all think about the word from First Peter? Not First Peter. Was it First Peter?
First
I've already forgotten. First Peter. You like them?
Get this steak.
It is steak. This one, even the toddler had the nice little piece of cardboard in the middle. Yeah, this is the other one. You setting them up nice so that.
No. Trent, you should do them like stack them if you're gonna stack them.
Boom.
Oh, that's a good thumbnail. You have one of them that had the 23 out. The little ones.
They're just on the wrong side.
There you go.
Boom. Boom.
Much better.
Did you stop the recording?
No,
Oh.
smile.
All right, y'all tell me what you think about these down below. I think Trent likes them. I think we are gonna wear them tomorrow. We'll just go ahead and get these on DS quickly, right? Because they're
And
cool.
if Georgia wins,
You like
we
them?
can all wear red together.
You like them? All right. Say bye. Say bye. Bye. See you later.
Bye. You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Shoes.
Shoes. And I like shoes.
Fire! It's so cute. Wow.
What's that?
Jordan 3 Black Cement.